Our project is the rotary filter container. The objective of this project is to help people with low resources in places like Africa, where they don't have running water and have to travel long distances to get it. To help them, we create a simple container that can be easily manipulated, transported, and that filters the water from lakes and rivers.
We include in this video are the project proposal, the statistics and facts, biological and chemical processes, materials, operation and user interaction, conclusion, and references. The biological process involved in our STEM project are the separation by filtration. Some filtering takes place when water flows over the ground from a plowed field and it flows through grass on its way to the stream. The mud is filtering out with the help of the grass.
So, the project that we're proponing to fix the problem is to provide a container which can save and transport water in an easy and simple way, but also filter this water so we can use in the daily necessities, like watering the plants, doing the chores, and also drinking water. We also aim to fix the problem of carrying the water in the head, so that people cannot have any atrophy in their muscles and that their health is alright. So also, the project consists of an rotary container which is pulled or pushed in the ground and that is from easy access.
Statistics and facts: 115 people die every hour because of poor saturation and contaminated water. In Africa, part of the population has to go about half an hour per round trip to recollect water each time on the day that they need water. So imagine how much time they lose. It was found out that 1 out of 7 children are the ones that need to go to recollect the water instead of their parents. Also, most women go. Men usually stay for work while women go to the river to find the water. 1 out of 5 children in Africa die because of need of water, dehydration.
The material we used in this project are plastic container with a cylinder shape, filter, steel tube, something to make the container to rotate, a PC tube, a cutter, a capsule, a plastic tube, a stopcock, and that's it.
So first of all, we can see the container rotating. This can be pushed or pulled. In this case it's been pushed. Then we see how it is filled with water, and you fill it through the hole, and after you finish you put the cap on so you don't spill. Then it can be again rotated, push or pull. Then the water will be filtered because of gravity, so you put it in a higher surface, so through the valve, then through the filter, and then to the bucket. And that's it.
We conclude that our STEM project is very helpful for many people around the world. It will help them to transport water from one point to another, and at the same time help them filter that water in a fast way and more easily. So that's why our STEM project is very important, and we think that many people has to have it and make use of it in the people that has low resources.
I think this project will help a lot of people around the world because it actually makes their life easier. They are not going to spend time going to the water and bring it back. They can just use our project to do that stuff. Many people in Africa will get their life changed, and it will be an amazing thing for us to do to them.
My personal reflection about this STEM project is that this is a very useful and helpful project, especially from places where the water is very polluted. With this project, we can give access to them to clean water and to transport it easily.
My personal reflection is that this STEM help us to learn a lot about teamwork, and even though we have our difficulties, at the end everything goes right, so it was very good. And a project that we choose is very important for many people, so I think that it must be supported.
So, my personal reflection is that with this project we can learn a lot of empathy and how other people react to different situations around the world, around how liquid water is really precious, and for us it's really abundant, but for a lot of people in the world it is a really scarce resource and really needful.
My personal reflection about this project is that we're going to be able to help lots of people who need water for their daily use and they cannot get to it easily. And also we're going to learn about how to help the other people which are in need.
My personal reflection about this project is that it will help a lot to the people in Africa and other places like that, because it will help a lot to carry the water and also to clean it after carrying it and bringing it home.